Hi guys, it's Kyra and what's your name?
Bella.
Bella?
Yeah.
No, Bella, and today we're going to be playing with slime.
Bella.
It's Bella.
Bella.
Yeah, and today we're going to be playing with slime. Get your foot out of the way. Do we have another special guest?
No.
Yeah, we do. Show them.
A unicorn.
Yeah, I'll show them. Let me show them. Unicorn. So we're going to be playing with a unicorn and slime. So yeah, I'm going to poke it.
I want to poke it.
Okay, you can poke it. Yay, poking it.
Look.
Yay, are you done?
No.
She's not done yet. Okay, we'll pause the video and when she's done, we'll come back. Right there.
Mommy started to do. Mommy started.
Okay, anyway, so I'm going to stretch it. There you go. Okay, so now we're going to flatten it down and we're going to put the unicorn in.
Let's just like that. No, not like that.
Yeah, so they can see unicorn. Okay, I'm going to lift the board up and I'm going to show you guys. This is it. It's real cute. Okay.
Oh, other way.
Oh. Okay, and it's super easily come out. But it will and it also and it also come out as a unicorn shape on your slime. Okay, so I'm gonna make a slime swirl. I think I'm gonna try. Oh, let's just do this. Okay.
Okay, I hold the unicorn.
Oh, let me retry that. Shall I retry?
Yeah, retry.
Retry.
It's not crying.
Okay, you ready?
Need to share. Yeah.
Right there. Where's the unicorn? Put the unicorn on there. Wrong way, wrong way. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so she did that again. And looks the same, but it's actually slime swirl. Okay, so
I'll just take it out.
you could take it out. Ooh, there's a unicorn there. Okay, so, oh, yeah, it's really stretchy. So now, let's see what it looks like with the unicorn and the slide inside the tin. So I'll see when it go in. Okay, so Bella put the unicorn in. And this is what it looks like. Push it in. Okay, push it in. Okay, I'm going to put the lid on. And now we're going to see what it looks like when we open it. So, pretend it's a brand new day. We're playing with slime. Hey guys, yeah. Oh my god, look at that. Unicorn inside my slime. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. But it's a bit hard to take it out. But it will leave like a mark of a unicorn there. She's super cute.
It doesn't go down with it.
So, should we play with the unicorn?
Yeah.
Okay. So. Look at that. That's super cute. Okay. So, yeah, we're going to pause it for a minute. Okay, so we're back. Oh, come on. We're back. I've got the unicorn again.
I can hold that.
Yeah, okay. So, split it in half.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so you're going to play with the unicorn first. Okay, so we'll be right back when she's played with it. Okay, so an hour later she's finished playing with it. Now it's my turn. And I'll see when it comes back. Okay, we're back an hour later again. Finished playing with my slime. So,
I need the unicorn.
Okay, so make sure to get this video on 30,000 likes. And yeah, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. And yeah, bye.